Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving some tips that I wish I had known when I started cosplaying. Number 1, be creative. I know that a lot of people will want to stick to the canon of the characters, but the true fun of cosplaying is just being creative and being yourself and just having fun. Like, that's the true thing with cosplaying, is that you should just have fun. Like, sure, some people get made fun of for accessorizing, but I think you should just be yourself and do whatever you want to do with your cosplays. Number 2, cosplay can be expensive, but you really don't need to have a lot of money to start. So, for example, you can just get like a cheap blonde wig from Amazon, or if you have blonde hair, use your hair, and like a white button up, and you can do so many cosplays. Like, just a white t-shirt and you can do a bunch of cosplays. Also, going to like Goodwill or thrift stores is going to be your best friend. So many of my cosplays are thrifted. And just quick tips, just to buy like 2 or 3 wigs, like a long blonde wig, a short blonde wig, and a short black wig, and then a long black wig. That's 4. I can't count. And you can do so many cosplays with them. Also, a white button up, like I said, you can just do so many cosplays. Trust me, I've done so many. I've done over 100 cosplays just because I used that tip. Well, not just because of that, but like a big part of that just because I used that tip. Number 3, having clout really doesn't matter. You're just supposed to have fun. It doesn't matter if you have 1 follower or 100 followers or 1 million followers. It really doesn't matter as long as you're having fun, and you should try not to let your popularity affect you. Like, I have an account that has 15,000 followers. I don't post it on anymore, but it's not any different than my account that has almost 2,000. It makes no difference to me because I just have fun for myself. Number 4, do it for yourself. Don't cosplay for anyone else. So, like, cosplay to make yourself happy, not because you feel like you have to. That's kind of basic, though. Number 5, the dollar store has really good makeup and, like, hair accessories and stuff. Like, I got the brushes that I use to style my wigs from the dollar store. And also, some dollar stores you can get clothes at, and that's like, woo, great. Like, I got my black tie, my green tie, my why can't I think of words? I got both my headband, like all my headbands that you've seen on my account from the dollar store. Number 6, I think. I kind of lost count, if I'm going to be honest. Oh wow, my train of thought just absolutely left. Okay, you don't need to be perfect. And you don't need to be 100% canon. Like I said earlier, my first tip, just have fun with it. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be canon. Have fun. And if you don't like your cosplay, just take time, and as you go, you will improve. It takes time like any other hobby takes. Number 6. Once again, my train of thought left. Number 6, experiment with your makeup style. Cause, like, my makeup now versus when I first started cosplaying is drastically different. Like, it's very, very different. And that's okay. Experiment. Practice. Practice makes perfect, like they say. That's all you can really do, is to just practice, practice, practice. Just continue. Don't give up. Number 7, I think. Try to make friends. It's so much more fun when you have friends to cosplay with, even if they're just online friends and like on TikTok you do at their videos. So it makes it like so much more fun. Like it's crazy. It's so much more fun when you have friends. But if you don't have cosplay friends, try to find like mutuals on TikTok and become friends with them. And if you can't really find any or are scared, you can join my Discord server and talk to me and some of the people there. It's a really, really cool place. Number 8, cardboard is going to be your best friend. You can make so many things out of cardboard. You can make props, you can make like ears, like I've made basically all my ears out of cardboard that I didn't buy. I've even seen people get really creative and make like fake glasses out of cardboard, which was really cool. You can like make accessories out of cardboard, like hair clips and stuff. Just super cool, super fun. And like you can use it like for my hat that I made for my Q cosplay from Bruno Stray Dogs. I made that out of cardboard, and for my Kana from Your Turn to Die like bucket thing, I used an old can and cardboard glued on the bottom with a bobby pin stabbed through it because it was way easier to stab through the cardboard than it would be metal. So yeah, cardboard is your best friend. Number 9. Okay, wow, my thoughts are really doing so good. Number 9, even though they can be expensive, you should get a ring light. Once I got a ring light, my videos looked like 10 times better. Thankfully, I got one only for like $12. If I can find the link, I'll put it in the description. So look there, I guess. But yeah, getting a ring light just helped my video quality improve so much. It's like crazy how much it improved it. Like, whoa. I'm not using it right now because I have good lighting, so there's a window there because it's daytime. But like at nighttime filming, it's so much better. So much better. Like, so better. Wow, I'm repeating myself a lot, aren't I? Tip number 10, the final tip. Cosplay from things you like. Doesn't matter if they're popular or not. Cosplay from what you like, and hopefully you'll find people that like it too. Like, I first started cosplaying Homestuck when I knew, like, 3 people that I interacted with a lot that knew Homestuck, and that was it. And guess what? Now I found a bunch of people that like Homestuck. And sure, that's lucky on my part because the Homestuck fandom is still pretty large. But just cosplay from things you like, and hopefully you'll find others that like it too. That's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. Feel free to leave any comments down below, like leave some more tips that I might not have said if you can think of some. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.